Imagine standing on a quiet beach at night, and the moment you say hello, the entire ocean lights up in bright neon blue. Say another word, and the color switches to glowing green. One sentence. And the whole coastline reacts like a giant LED screen. Yeah. Welcome to a world where the ocean basically listens to you. So let's dive in. What if the oceans glowed in neon colors every time you spoke? How would that even work? And more importantly, would humanity accidentally turn the planet into one giant rave? First, we have to imagine that the ocean has become super sensitive to sound. Maybe a strange new species of glowing plankton spreads across the water. They don't just light up when waves hit them. They light up when your voice does. Every word sends a tiny vibration through the air into the water. And boom, instant neon flash. At first, this would be magical. Picture people running to the beach just to whisper random words and watch the colors ripple outward. Kids would scream just to see rainbow shockwaves. TikTok would explode with ocean reacts to my voice challenges. But things would get weird fast. For one, the ocean never sleeps. So imagine thousands of people talking, shouting, singing, arguing, and laughing, all triggering different colors. The night sky would reflect neon light so bright that coastal cities would barely see darkness. Hotels would offer glowfront rooms, warning guests to use quiet voices, unless they want their entire balcony lit up like a nightclub. And animals. Oh boy. Whales communicate with deep, powerful sounds. One whale call could light up hundreds of miles of ocean at once. Imagine you're on a boat at night and suddenly the horizon erupts into a massive burst of neon purple. You'd think you unlocked some kind of ocean superpower. But the biggest problem, privacy. If the ocean glows every time you make a sound, you can't hide anything. Secrets become visible. Whispering your crush's name. The glowing water might give you away. Arguing with your friend. Every sentence flashes like a warning sign. Even talking in your sleep could turn your quiet beach home into a light show at 3 a.m. Now here's where things hit maximum chaos. Storm season. Imagine giant waves crashing, thunder rumbling, winds howling, and every sound triggers massive neon explosions across the water. You wouldn't just see lightning. You'd see entire glowing oceans responding to every boom. From space, Earth would look like it's covered in lead veins, pulsing with every sound wave. But let's go even bigger. The ultimate reveal. Human voices might actually change the ocean's temperature. If the glowing plankton react to sound, they also react to energy. Millions of people talking near coastlines could create constant glowing chemical reactions, warming the water. Warmer oceans mean stronger storms, higher tides, and maybe even glowing hurricanes that look beautiful and terrifying. At the same time, so in this neon notion world, our voices would literally reshape nature. Every conversation becomes a ripple. Every word becomes a wave of light. In the end, we'd probably learn something important, that even small actions can have big effects. If talking can change the color of the ocean, imagine what our choices can do to the real one.